Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see restaurant near you on Google Maps. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Maps apps. And after this, at the top you can see a restaurant, so you just click on it. And after this, in here you can see many restaurants near your place. You can choose the restaurant that you want to visit. And after this, in here, if you wanna see restaurant with the top rate, so you just click this one. So you just click on it. And in here you can see the restaurant stop rate. But if you wanna see this restaurant open or now, so you just click on, go back, you just click on this one, open now. So you just click on it and finish. In here you can see many restaurant, it's open now. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.